Hello everyone, welcome back to Literary Rights. I'm Swaranjali. You have just learned what parts of speech are and why they matter. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually study this entire series? Where do I start? How do I make sure I really understand everything? That's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. I'm going to give you a clear learning path. Think of it as a roadmap that will help you go from a confusion to complete confidence. Let's begin. This Parts of Speech series has 34 videos. They are not random videos. They build up each other, step by step. Here's how the journey unfolds. First, the foundation. We'll start with nouns. We'll spend 7 videos on nouns because they are the building blocks of every sentence. You'll learn types of nouns, how to identify them, and common mistakes to avoid. Next, pronouns. 5 videos that will show you how pronouns replace nouns and make your English flow naturally. Then, the action. We'll cover verbs in 6 videos. You'll learn about action words, helping verbs, and how verbs create meaning in sentences. After that, the describers. 4 videos on adjectives and 3 on adverbs. These are the words that add color and detail to your language. Finally, the connectors. We'll learn about prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. These are the glue that hold sentences together. By the end, you won't just know the parts of speech, you'll actually feel them when you read and write. Now here's my recommendation for you to how to study each video. Step number 1. Watch actively. Don't just passively watch. Keep a notebook besides you. When we explain a concept, pause the video. Write down the definition in your own words. When we give examples, write those too. The act of writing helps your brain process and remember better. Step number 2. Practice immediately. Every video includes practice exercises. Don't skip them. Pause the video. Try to answer. Then check your response. If you got it wrong, that's okay. That's valuable feedback. Go back and review that section. Step number 3. Apply in real life. After watching a video on nouns, open any book and identify 5 nouns. After learning about verbs, write 3 sentences using different types of verbs. Real application makes the learning stick. Each video is a brick. Your practice is the cement. Together they build mastery. Here's a simple but powerful strategy. Create a checklist. Write down all 34 videos topics in your notebook. After watching each video, check it off. But here's the key. Don't just check it off after watching. Check it off only when you can do 3 things. Explain the concept to someone else, identify examples in real sentences, and complete the practice exercise correctly. This ensures you're not just watching, you're actually learning. If you struggle with a video, don't move ahead. Watch it again the next day. Understanding is important than speed. So what's next? We are going to dive deep into nouns. Nouns are the foundation of English grammar. You'll learn the different types of nouns, how to spot them instantly, and the common mistakes even advanced learners make. I'll be teaching you about nouns in the next video. We'll keep it simple and clear. And my mother, Dr. Madhuri Bitte, will join you when we explore more detailed aspects. This is a journey we are taking together. Not rushed, not incomplete. Just through clear and confidence building. Excellent! You have a clear learning path. In this video, you learned how to study the series strategically. Watch actively, practice immediately, and track your progress systematically. In the next video, I'll teach you what is a noun. It's the most fundamental part of speech. It's going to be simple, clear, and fun. Subscribe to Literary Rights. Let's build your grammar confidence together. Nothing difficult, nothing missing, just clear, complete learning. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.